Hey everyone, I hope you're doing good. So, I'm thinking of doing a in-depth Python summer camp. Basically, it would be 6 to 8 sessions where during the summer we would meet and I would basically show during 2 to 3 hours cool stuff in Python, like in-depth stuff in Python, things which I learned during playing Capture the Flag competitions, things which I used during programming in Python, and things which I learned during basically dissecting Python and its internals. So it would be for folks who are interested in Python, who like Python, and who would like to know more about Python. It's not really an introductory course, it's more like things for, again, people who already used Python a little bit and want to dig deeper into the language, because it's actually a pretty awesome language and there's like really a lot of amazing things to show. So for now, we are basically checking if there's any interest in this. So if you would be interested, just go to the link which will be in the description. And there is a sign-up form where you can sign up to a mailing group. This basically tells us that, hey, I might be potentially interested in this. You don't have to buy it. You just tell us, yeah, when more information is going to be available, I'm going to check it out. And yeah, that's about it. So if you would be potentially interested in this, let us know by signing up here. Again, link in the description. And the more people will be interested, the better price we can offer. I think it's going to be something between 100 to 300 francs per person. But again, that really depends on the interest. And that's about it. So thank you and have a great day. Cheers.